friends, welcome to our student support program for grade 8. Today, you will learn about length of arc. You will also learn about perimeter of figures. Length of arc. An arc is part of the circumference of a circle. Let's look how we are going to calculate the length of arc. A quadrant is a quarter of a circle. The length of arc AB is 1/4 of the circumference. This 1/4 is also 90 degrees over 360 degrees multiplied by circumference. The angle subtended at the center is 90 degrees. A semicircle. The length of the arc is equal to half multiplied by circumference, or 180 degrees divided by 360 degrees multiplied by circumference. Here, the angle subtended at the center is 180 degrees. 3/4 of a circle. The length of arc is equal to 3/4 multiplied by circumference, or 270 degrees divided by 360 degrees multiplied by circumference. In general, to calculate the length of a minor arc, using the angle subtended at the center, in this case theta, we can calculate the length of the minor arc using the formula theta degrees over 360 degrees multiplied by 2 pi r. Let's have a look at some examples. The diagram shows a sector XOY with radius 9 centimeters and theta is equal to 40 degrees. Take pi as 3.14. We need to find the length of arc first, and then we are going to calculate the perimeter of the sector of XOY. To find the length of arc XY, we are going to use the formula theta degrees over 360 degrees multiplied by 2 pi r, substituting the values 40 degrees divided by 360 degrees multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 9, we get 6.28 centimeters. That is, the length of arc XY is 6.28 centimeters. Now to calculate the perimeter of the sector XOY. This figure is bounded by OX, OY, which are the radii, and the arc XY. Substituting the values, we get 9 plus 9 plus 6.28, which is equal to 24.28 centimeters. Example 2. The diagram shows a sector XOY with radius 6 centimeters and theta 240 degrees. Find the length of the major arc XY. Here we are going to take pi as 22/7. To calculate the length of arc, we use the formula theta over 360 degrees multiplied by 2 pi r, substituting the values 240 degrees divided by 360 degrees multiplied by 2 multiplied by 22/7 multiplied by 6 gives us 176/7 centimeters. Example 3. The diagram shows a sector SOT with radius 18 centimeters. Given that the length of arc ST is 55 centimeters, find the angle subtended at the center of the circle. Here we are going to take pi as 22/7. The length of arc ST is 55 centimeters. Using the formula theta over 360 degrees multiplied by 2 multiplied by 22 over 7 multiplied by 18 is equal to 55. Simplifying the left-hand side, we get 11 over 35 theta is equal to 55. Therefore, theta is equal to 55 multiplied by 35 over 11. The angle subtended at the center of the circle is 175 degrees after simplifying the above. Example 4. The diagram shows a sector POQ. Given that the length of arc PQ is 94.2 millimeters and the angle subtended at the center of the circle is 150 degrees. Find the radius of the circle. Here we are going to take pi as 3.14. Length of arc PQ is equal to 94.2 millimeters. Using the formula and substituting the values, we get 150 degrees over 360 degrees multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by r is equal to 94.2. Solving this equation, we get the radius is equal to 36 millimeters. Here are some exercises for you to practice. Friends, today you have learned about length of arc. You have also learned about perimeter of figures. Here are two interesting links that you can visit to consolidate the concepts taught today. Students, hope you have enjoyed our program. See you soon. Thank you.